Hello everybody, Darth's Cards back again with another video. Today we're going to be opening up the rest of the packs from our Paradox Rift ETB. This is our hit from the last box. If you didn't see the last video, go check that out. Let's go ahead and get on with it. It's your code card. One to the front. Like I said in the last video, I'm looking for the Garchomps or any other gold cards with this set. There's our Leaf Energy, Nickit, Knockley, Nimble, Yamask, Cursed Duster, Orbeetle, Cloth, Reverse Orthworm. There's our Ancient Booster Capsule Holo and an Aegislash Holo. There's what I'm looking for right there, Garchomp. Code card. One to the front. Here we go. Psychic Energy, Gligar, Fuecoco, Blipbug, took two there, Snorunt, TM Turbo Energize, Wood Trio, TM Blindside, Reverse Purloin, Reverse Nimble, and a Holo Groudon. Code card. One to the front, and here we go. Steel Energy, Spinda, Tinkatink, Tandemaus, Dwebble, Orthworm, Absol, Simisear, Reverse Xatu, Reverse Espathra, and a Mewtwo EX. Look at that. It's beautiful. I love Mewtwo. Yeah, original Pokemon movie. Brought a tear to your eye. Well, let's get on to the next one. Code card. One to the front. Fire Energy, Honedge, Horsey, Joltik, Natu, Iron Bundle, Techno Radar, Counter Catcher, Reverse Wimpod, Reverse Blipbug, and a Sandy Shocks EX. Look at that. 2 hits in this video. Look at that. Go ahead and sleeve that one up. There they are, our 2 hits. Thank you guys very much, and I'll see you next time.